Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shaun Roselt and welcome to my HTML5 and CSS3 video series. So in this video we're going to be learning about borders. So I've created an external CSS file and I have linked the CSS file. So let's go and give this h1 heading a border. h1, let's give it a border, normal border. Let's say we want the border to be 50 pixels of solid, and let's choose a color. Yeah, let's choose a green color. Green. Okay, save it. Boom. Okay, this is how it works. You specify the width of it, which is now 50 pixels. Unless you have type solid, and this is the color. There's plenty of different ways you can do this. You can, for instance, have a dashed one. You can have a dotted. You can have a inset. You can have a outset. So you can go and Google or Bing those different ones. I like using solid. Okay, let's say you want the different sides to be different widths or colors or something like that. You can actually go and say, for instance, for the left should be, let's make it 15 pixels or 20 pixels. Let's make it green. Okay, you have a right one, we have a top one, and we have a bottom one. Let's make this one blue, yellow, and red. As you can see, that works. You can even set different sizes for it on all of the sides. That's your choice how you want them to look. As you can see, for instance, so you guys can go and play around a bit with that. Yeah. Okay, so let's go and look what else there is. You can also add a border radius. So for instance, we can add a border radius of 10 pixels. That will make it turn a bit, as you can see, or 20 pixels, or even 50 pixels. As you guys can see, it makes it turning here, the marks. If you can make it, for instance, 100%, I think you can also work with percentages. Yes, so you can also work with percentages. Now it's 100% border radiuses, or maybe just 10%, for instance. Okay, and you can even go as far as specify the different sides for it. 10% there, and then maybe 50%. Let's see if this works. Yes, it does. So you can specify different sizes as well for it. Let's just explain this. Okay, so what this basically does is the first 10 pixels here is the top left. For instance, if I make this 50 now, you'll see it's the top left side. The second one is the top right, and then the third one is this right bottom, and then the fourth one is this one. Okay, let's make this 100, for instance. As you can see there, let's make this 90 and make this 200 pixels. Boom, as you can see. Okay, so now you've learned about how to set the border and how to change the border radius. If you go and type border here, you'll see there's actually many different stuff as well, but I think you guys can go and have a look at that yourself. Go and Google a bit and learn these things. Yes guys, so thanks for watching. I only want to explain to you guys the basics, but now that we've learned borders, I want to go and explain how to add comments in CSS. Okay, to add a comment in CSS, just simply go and add a / this thing, the asterisk sign, and this again. Inside of here you can add a comment, so it's similar to how you do it in HTML as well. Not completely similar, because in HTML we must have the this way to add comments, and we don't have this way in HTML. Oops. Yeah, but it's quite similar. It's not that much different. Yeah, I think this way is just shorter. So this is basically how to add comments in CSS. And yes, this is a comment. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.